In this video, I want to show my own method for removing the starter on a Mercedes-Benz A-Class W168, A160. As many of you know, the starter location on this car is very poor. The engine is mounted flat in the vehicle, and the starter sits high in the middle of the engine. Normally, the engine needs to be lower to remove the starter. First, I'll show you my method of accessing and removing the starter by partially lowering the engine. The first step is to release the alternator belt. Next, the air conditioning compressor needs to be removed. If the car is equipped with one, and then the alternator. In my case, I disconnected only one AC hose, and I did not disconnect the alternator wiring. This was enough to gain access to the starter. After that, it's very important to remove this flange with the idler pulleys and the belt tensioner. The next step is to loosen the subframe bolts. On the right side, the bolts are removed completely. On the left side, the front bolt is only loosened, not removed, so the subframe doesn't drop completely. Then, on the right side of the subframe, you need to place something underneath to let it drop about 12 centimeters. In my case, I used a wooden block. Once the wooden block is in place, and you have better access to the starter, you can disconnect the starter power cable and the control wire. After that, the starter mounting bolts can be removed. Both bolts were accessed and removed from underneath the car. The front bolt was the most difficult one, as it required several ratchet extensions. Here you can see how the starter looks once it's removed, and I'll also show the length of the extensions that were needed to reach that front bolt. And that's it, the starter is out. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.